This is your main QuickBooks Company file. If you can't open it, check if it's locked by another user. Never delete this file. It is your entire financial history. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's secure the data. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single QBW file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. The QBW signature identifies it as a specialized type of database file. It is stored using the QuickBooks Company File format. A QBW file is a proprietary data file used by QuickBooks, an accounting software package. It stores a company's financial data, including transactions, customer information, vendor details, and payroll information. This file serves as the central repository for all accounting-related activities within QuickBooks. QBW files are structured databases that utilize a proprietary format. They are designed for efficient storage and retrieval of financial data. QuickBooks employs indexing and data compression techniques to optimize performance and minimize file size. The file format is subject to change with new versions of QuickBooks. Windows often defaults to associating QBW with the Intuit QuickBooks Pro solution from Intuit Inc. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows cannot display stored entries or fields, so specialized DBMS software is necessary. The first action is to test the system's defined programs. Right-click the QBW file and click Open with, Test Intuit. QuickBooks Pro, if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to find the specific library that works. If your QBW file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focus steps to pinpoint the exact QBW error. First, open from within QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks. Go to File. Open or Restore Company, and select Open a Company File to navigate to the QBW file. Next, use QuickBooks File Doctor. Download and run the QuickBooks File Doctor tool to scan for and automatically repair corruption and network issues. Finally, restore from backup. Restore the last known working version from a backup file, a QBB file, by selecting Restore a Backup Copy from the File menu. If the compatibility test failed, we now have official confirmation that this is a high-level issue. The right move is to try the Universal Opener, a dependable method for stubborn QBW files. The complexity of this QBW file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Wishing you the very best.